Recovering from knee surgery takes time and effort. It's not just about waiting, it's about helping your body heal the right way. With the right medical care, physical therapy, and healthy lifestyle choices, you can support your recovery and get back to moving faster. In this video, we'll share helpful tips to help you heal, strengthen your knee, and get your mobility back. Whether you're starting recovery or want to speed it up, these tips will guide you through the process. Following your doctor's instructions is very important for your knee surgery recovery. This means taking any medications exactly as prescribed. Painkillers and anti-inflammatories help with pain and swelling, while antibiotics, if given, help prevent infection and support healing. It's important to take the right amount at the right time to avoid problems. Also, make sure to attend your follow-up appointments. These visits help your doctor check how you're healing, see how well you can move your knee, and catch any problems early. By following these steps, you'll recover faster and more safely. Resting and protecting your knee is very important in the early stages of recovery. You need to avoid putting too much strain on the healing tissue. Don't do too much or put weight on your knee too soon, as this could cause setbacks or injury. Using tools like crutches, walkers, or knee braces can help support your knee and reduce pressure on it as you move around. Giving your knee enough rest and care is a big part of recovering well. If you're finding this information useful, please hit the like, subscribe, and turn all notifications on to stay updated with my latest health and nutrition tips. Managing swelling and pain is an important part of recovering after knee surgery, and there are a few simple ways to do this. One of the easiest methods is using ice packs. Ice can help reduce swelling and pain by tightening blood vessels and numbing the area. Apply an ice pack for 15 to 20 minutes at a time, several times a day. Compression can also help. Wearing a compression bandage or sleeve, as your doctor suggests, can support your knee and reduce swelling by preventing fluid buildup. Also, remember to stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water helps reduce inflammation and keeps your body ready to heal. By adding these steps to your recovery, you'll help your knee heal faster and more comfortably. Starting physical therapy early is key to getting your strength, flexibility, and mobility back after knee surgery. Working with a physical therapist will help you follow a plan that's made just for you. This plan will focus on strengthening the muscles around your knee, improving your range of motion, and increasing flexibility. Your therapist will likely give you gentle exercises like ankle pumps, quad sets, and straight leg raises. These exercises help prevent stiffness, improve blood flow, and support healing without putting too much strain on your knee. By sticking with your rehab plan and following your therapist's advice, you'll make steady progress toward full recovery. Eating a healthy diet is important for helping your body heal after knee surgery. Focus on foods that support tissue repair. Protein-rich foods like lean meats, eggs, and beans help rebuild muscle and tissue. Vitamins like vitamin C, found in citrus fruits and bell peppers, and vitamin D from sunlight or fortified foods are important for collagen and bone health. Minerals like calcium, found in dairy and leafy greens, and zinc in nuts and seeds are needed for tissue growth and immune health. Eating anti-inflammatory foods can also help reduce swelling and support recovery. Fatty fish like salmon, nuts, berries, and leafy greens can lower inflammation. Avoiding smoking and alcohol is important for a faster recovery after knee surgery. Smoking slows down healing by reducing blood flow and oxygen to your tissues, which are needed for repair. The chemicals in cigarettes can also damage blood vessels, making recovery even harder. If you can, quitting smoking during your recovery will help your knee heal better. Alcohol can also be a problem. It can affect your medications, making them less effective or causing bad reactions. Alcohol can also slow your body's healing, delay recovery, and raise the risk of complications. Limiting or avoiding alcohol will help your recovery go smoothly. We hope these tips help you on your journey to a faster and smoother recovery after knee surgery. Remember, following your doctor's instructions, staying active with physical therapy, eating a healthy diet, and avoiding things like smoking and alcohol are all key steps to healing efficiently. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell for more tips on health and recovery. See you in the next video.